welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, we're gonna unbox this cool car that we got from Amazon for his birthday. And these are all the features it has. It drives on the wall and floor, 360 rotation, forward, backward, turn right and left, and it has lights.
Whoa, it's so awesome.
Yeah, so guys, it comes with the remote control, the car of course, and a charging cable. So you charge the car from the back, and it has a floor option and a wall option depending on where you want to drive it, and an off button.
Control.
Yeah, it comes with this remote control. It does require 6 AA batteries. Let's play a game. It can't catch you, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! We're gonna drive it on the wall, guys. If you would like to buy this car, the link will be posted below in the description.
Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel.